my name is Astro Ashikar, and today I will be talking to you about the value of pi. So, the value of pi is the circumference divided by the diameter of a circle. Well, these terms might sound confusing, but they are very easy. So, let's say a circle. This dartboard is also a circle, so we can take this as a real life example. So when you take a circle and you draw a line which passes through the center of the circle, it's called the diameter. So this is the diameter, and there's another thing called the radius, which starts at the end point and ends at the middle. And the circumference is the final one, where is the border of the circle. Or you can say that it is the perimeter of the circle. The perimeter is nothing but the sum of all sides. But since the circle doesn't have any sides, we count it as the border. And the size of the border of the circle is called the circumference. I have shown you this is the radius, this is the diameter, and then this is the circumference. So now, let's do a sum about this. Well, I told you that the diameter and circumference divided by each other is equal to the pi, right? But let's do the actual example. So I have a center point and I have a line. Let's say that this is 3 cm, okay? And now, let's take a way to find the circumference. We can find the size of the diameter with a scale, but we don't have circle scales. So how we find it is that there is an approximate pi. The value of approximate pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. So 3.14 is the digit value of pi, and then it just keeps going on like 5, 9, 1 stuff, and it just never ends. But these are the base values, and why there's 22 by 7, if you divide these two, it gives you the never-ending answer of pi. So when you take 3.14 and multiply it with the diameter, just 3 cm, you get the circumference. So let's take 3.14, but we don't need to put the point, let's just write it as 314, and then we write the 3, which is the diameter. Let's multiply this. So 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So 2, 1 carry over. 1 into 3 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and then 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So 942 is the answer. Now we look at the pi, it's 3.14, and there is two digits behind the 3. So we need to put the decimal mark where there's 2 digits behind the other digits. So 4, 2 are 2 digits, and the last digit is 9. So we need to keep the point here. So it's 9.42. So the circumference of this circle, is 9.42 cm. So how we find the pi now is that we divide 9.42 cm and we divide it by 3 cm. So why, after all this I've talked about, where does the radius come in? Well, the radius is just the diameter divided by 2. So there are two formulas to finding pi, which is diameter divided by the circumference, or it can be circumference divided by 2 radius. So that means 2 multiplied by radius, which is equal to the diameter, and then you divide it by the circumference. So it's basically the same as the diameter. So we take 9.42 cm and divide it by 3. The diameter is close to 3.14, which is the approximate size of the circle. So this is how you find pi, and I explained all about pi. let's recap about what we've learned. We've learned about what's the approximate value of pi, how to find the circumference, and what are the three main parts of a circle, which is the diameter, radius, and circumference. Hope you learned something new today, and this is Astro Ashikar signing off. Bye bye.